Let's look at some Tuesday's activities at the equities market, and we have Eddie Ewa here. Eddie, good to have you back. Good morning.
Good morning, Chimi. It's good to be back as well. Well, the market rose marginally yesterday after declining on Monday by about 0.02%, and that brought the month-to-date and year-to-date gain to about 5.6%. The all-share index was at 28,344.04 points, while the equity cap was at 14.814 trillion naira. Activity level was higher also compared to Monday's session, as volume was up by about 45.1%. We saw 35.83 million units worth 5.01 billion naira, all traded in 4,498 deals. Sectoral performance was broadly positive yesterday. The banking index was down 1.18%. We saw declines from UBA, GT Bank, Wema Bank, but then there were gains from Zenith Bank, from FBN Holdings, and from Stanbic Bank. So those gains were not enough to offset the losses on the banking sector. Consumer goods was up 0.88%. As we saw gains from Nigerian breweries, Honey Flower, International Breweries, and Cadbury. Industrial goods was unchanged. There wasn't any movement on the industrial goods giants, Dangote Cement and Boa Cement. Insurance was up 0.34%, while oil and gas was up 0.11%. But let's talk to Charles Fakruga, the chief dealer at Citico Trust, for more. Good morning, Mr. Fakruga. Thank you for joining us on the program.
Good morning. Thank you for having me.
So it seems like we're continuing to see speculative profit taking on tier one banking stocks like UBA, for example. How long will that continue, and why is that happening?
Yes, well, that will continue for some time because for every investor, they want to buy low and sell high. So the profit taking will continue, and especially if they switch from a promising tier one bank like UBA. But I'm sure it's going to also continue for other banks. Once the opportunities are there, investors are bound to take advantage of that.
Well, First Bank, the largest component of listed FBN Holdings, is meeting with some investors today to deliberate on a 5-year senior unsecured transactions. Any idea how that would define investor sentiment for the stock today?
Yes, I think the First Bank, First Bank Holding, is really going to impact on the First Bank Holding generally because, this is one of the largest banks in Nigeria, and over a period of time, the bank has been having some issues. So going internationally to seek for that kind of funding is the right step in the right direction. I just hope that the management will be able to make use of the funds for the purpose in which it is going to be used for. And we're going to see significant improvement in operations of the group as a whole, and at the same time impacting positively in their share pricing.
All right, Mr. Fakruga, thank you for your input on the program. Do enjoy the rest of your day. Charles Fakruga is the chief dealer at Citico Trust. We'll have to leave it there from the markets now. Over to you, Chimi.